Hi guys, welcome back to the Music School. My name is Abhijith Hegde, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your very own electronic hats. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my instrument section. I'm going to load an operator plugin, and the next thing I'm going to turn off the remaining oscillators, and I'm going to just use one oscillator for this demonstration. I'm going to change the waveform from sine wave to noise, and I'm going to add in an arpeggiator just to get things started. I'm going to come into my envelope section, and I'm going to control the decay and release to adjust the sound of the hats. So there you have it. This is how you create electronic hi-hats by using the operator device. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. For more interesting videos like this, make sure you visit our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys until next time. Bye.